D.I.Y. It means do it yourself.
So let's make it.
Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to Kids DIY. Did you know DIY stands for do it yourself? Today we are going to be turning some ordinary popsicle sticks into some super fun Halloween characters. I'm going to show you how to make a cat, a witch, a ghost and a pumpkin. Shall we take a look and see what we need to make these amazing characters? Let's have a look at today's trolley and find out. What do we have here today? I can see some popsicle sticks, foam paper, pipe cleaners, brushes, glue, paints and textures, and lots of fun decorations like buttons and googly eyes. Do you want to make some Halloween characters? Well, let's make them together. That must be today's DIY team. Hello, come in everyone, come have a seat. Wow! So my name's Rachel, what's your name?
Jack, Eva, Mia.
Nice to meet you. So today we're going to be making some Halloween characters. Do you know what you're going to make? No? What are you going to make?
I'm making Frankenstein.
Frankenstein? What are you going to make?
Pumpkin.
So let's get started. First, grab 5 to 6 popsicle sticks and put another one on the back to create a base. Let it dry completely. We're going to lay our sticks out and you're going to glue the other one on top. That's it, lay it, glue it, you can do it. Is it all dry?
Yeah. Yes.
Good job. So next, we're going to grab our sticks and we're going to cut the edges off. Now, it's time to paint your popsicle sticks. We've got orange for pumpkin, black for cat, white for ghost, red for witch, or whatever colours you like. And let the paint dry completely before you move on. Who's ready to paint?
Me!
Okay, are we almost done painting?
Yes.
I like how some of you have mixed your colours. Now it's time to create your characters. For the pumpkin, cut out a small green V shape as a stem. Then, use a black marker or cut 2 triangle eyes, a nose and a jagged mouth for the face. And then how are we going to do your Frankenstein?
So I'm going to cut a brain and I'm going to stick the brain as if Frankenstein's brain is sticking out. I'm going to add googly eyes and then draw stitches.
That sounds spooky. So let's get cutting. That's right, cut it, glue it, you can do it. Finally, add a pipe cleaner to the back of your character and glue. Once dried, this can be hung up. So what you're going to do is you're going to bend it like this, and then you're going to grab your character and you're going to pop it behind and you're going to glue it on like this.
Can I use tape?
Of course you can. So what have you done, Mia?
A cheeky pumpkin who likes to dance.
I love how you made some legs. What about you, Eva?
I called mine Dancing Frankie.
Yeah? Whoa. Jack, can you tell me what you've done on yours?
A pumpkin?
Is that orange part a tongue?
Yes.
Look at all your amazing characters you've made today. You've all made something really special. Hope you've all enjoyed making your Halloween characters today. Thanks for joining me on Kids DIY.
Thanks, Rachel. Bye.
Wow, what an amazing journey we've been on today to make some incredible Halloween characters. Everyone here today has made something truly special and unique. Remember,
make it classic, give it a try.
I hope you've had fun. Until next time, keep enjoying DIY. Bye for now.
D.I.Y. It means do it yourself.
So let's make it.